Hare Krishna bachcho, today we are going to start exercise 2.6 chapter 2 linear equation in one variable class 8. Solve the following equations. The first question is 8x minus 3 upon 3x is equals to 2. If you observe carefully, this equation is not in linear form. First, we will convert it into linear form and then get the solution. First, write this 2 in rational form, write 1 in the denominator. Now cross multiply it. Now 1 into 8x minus 3. Remember this point that when we have to cross multiply, always put this algebraic expression in bracket. कभी गलती नहीं होगी, हमेशा जब भी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन को ब्रैकेट में लिखो, कभी भी गलती नहीं होगी. इज इक्वल्स टू 2, राइट अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन इन ब्रैकेट. नाउ 1 into 8x minus 3, you all know the answer is 8x minus 3. 2 into 3x, you will get 6x. Now shift this 6x to the left hand side and minus 3 to the right hand side. So 8x, when we shift this 6x to the left hand side, you have to write it minus 6x because its sign changed. Minus 3 goes to that side, becomes plus 3. 2x is equals to 3. Then x becomes 3 by 2. This is your answer. Now the second question, 9x upon 7 minus 6x is equals to 15. This is again not in linear form. First what we will do, we write it 15 in rational form, 15 upon 1. Now cross multiply 1 into 9x, 15, write in bracket 7 minus 6x. Now 1 into 9x, you will get 9x. Now 15 first multiply with 7, then 15 we will multiply with minus 6x. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ इज अप्लाइड. 15 पहले 7 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, फिर 15 माइनस 6x से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. 15 इंटू 7 इज 105 माइनस 15 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 6x, you will get 90x. Now shift this 90x to the left hand side. 9x plus 90x, you will get how much? 105. Now add them, you will get 99x is equals to 105. So x is equals to 105 upon 99. Now do the cancellation. Cancellation on 3, you will get here 33. Cancellation on 3, you will get here 35. So answer is 35 upon 33. Question number 3, again it is not in linear form. First we cross multiply to make it in linear form. So 9 into z is equals to 4. In bracket write down z plus 15. 9 multiply z, you will get 9z. 4 multiply with z, you will get 4z. 4 multiply with plus 15, you will get plus 60. Shift this 4z to this side. 9z minus 4z, you will get 60. 9 minus 4, you will get 5z is equals to 60. Then z is equals to 60 upon 5. You will get the answer 12. So z is equals to 12 is the answer. Now in this question number 4, 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y is equals to minus 2 upon 5. First we cross multiply so that we can change it into linear form. 5, always remember you have to write algebraic expression in bracket, is equals to minus 2, write algebraic expression in bracket. Now multiply 5 into 3y gives you 15y. 5 into 4 gives you plus 20. Now look here, minus 2 into 2 gives you minus 4. Now minus 2 into minus 6y. First we multiply sign. Minus multiply minus gives us plus. Minus multiply minus gives us plus. Now multiply number 2 into 6 gives us 12. Then write y, 12y. Now shift 12y to this side and plus 20 to the right hand side. So 15y, when this plus 12y come to the left hand side, its sign change, it becomes minus 12y minus 4. When this 20 goes to that side, becomes minus 20. Plus 20 goes to right hand side, its sign change, it becomes minus 20. 15 minus 12 gives you 3y is equals to minus 24. Minus 4 minus 20, we have to add them, we will get minus 24. So y is equals to minus 24 upon 3. Do the cancellation, you will get answer minus 8. Question number 5. 7y plus 4 upon y plus 2 is equals to minus 4 upon 3. Again the same method, we will cross multiply it so that we can change it into linear form. 3 in bracket you have to write 7y plus 4 is equals to minus 4, write down y plus 2. In bracket you have to write. Remember this point, always write the algebraic expression in bracket. अगर आप इस पॉइंट को फॉलो करोगे कभी भी गलती नहीं होगी. तो 3 multiply 3 with 7y first, then 3 with plus 4, you will get 21y. 3 into plus 4, you will get plus 12. Now multiply minus 4 with y, you will get minus 4y. Then minus 4 with plus 2, you will get minus 8. Now shift 4y to left hand side and plus 12 to right hand side. 21y plus 4y is equals to minus 8 minus 12. This is 25y is equals to minus 20. Then y is equals to minus 20 upon 25. Now do the cancellation. They have cancellation with 4 here, get 4 and 5. So answer is minus 4 upon 5. Question number 6. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio of 5:7. It's mean that if the age of Hari is 5 year, then what is the age of Harry? That is 7 year. If the age of Hari is 10 year, I have multiplied with 2, 5 to the 10. If the age of Hari is 10 year, then the age of Harry is 7 to the 14 year. If the age of Hari is 15 year, I multiplied with 3, 5 3 the 15. Age of Hari is 15 year, then what is the age of Harry? That is 7 into 3, 21 years. If I multiplied with x, if age of Hari is 5x, then what is the age of Harry? That is 7x years. Now next this is that 4 year from now. 4 year from now mean after 4 year. अगर लिखा हो 4 year hence, 4 year after और 4 year from now, it's mean that कि हमने उसकी एज में 4 year ऐड करने हैं. 4 year from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. We have to find their present ages. इन क्वेश्चन में जो भी फाइंड करना है उसी को हम सपोज कर लेते हैं. हमने उनकी प्रेजेंट एजेस फाइंड करनी है. So let us suppose that let present age of Hari is equals to 5x years. तो मैंने अभी एक्सप्लेन किया, अगर हरी की 5x हुई मीन इसको x से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो हैरी की कितनी होगी 7x ईयर. Therefore present age of Harry is equals to 7x years. Now according to question, but the question say according to question mean what the question says. Read the question very carefully. 4 year from now mean after 4 year. What is the age of Harry after 4 year? We have to add 4. 5x plus 4. And what is the age of Harry after 4 year? 7x plus 4. The ratio mean then we have to write in ratio. The age of Harry is 7x plus 4. Write in ratio. After 4 year from now mean after 4 year. After 4 year age of Harry is 5x plus 4 and age of Harry is 7x plus 4. Then we write it in ratio. The ratio of their ages will be 3:4 mean 3/4. Now this is again not in linear form, but we will cross multiply to convert it into linear form. Now cross multiply, you will get here 4. Write always algebraic expression in bracket. 3 7x plus 4. Now 20x plus 16 is equals to 21x plus 12. Now shift 21x to this side. 20x minus 21x is equals to 12 minus 16. Now 20x minus 21x gives us minus x, and 12 minus 16 gives us minus 4. This minus minus cancel, so x is equals to 4. Now put the value here. Thus, in place of let, write down thus present age of Hari is equals to, now 5x. What is x? X is 4. So 5 into 4, that is your 20 years. And present age of Harry, that is 7 into 4, that is 28 years. Question number 7. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. It means that denominator is 8 more than its numerator. Mean denominator जो है वो numerator से 8 बड़ा है. If numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. We know that a rational number we has in the form of numerator upon denominator. So what we will do here, we will first suppose the numerator. Let numerator of rational number is equals to x. So therefore, denominator of rational number, now read the first line. Denominator of rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. मीन वो डिनोमिनेटर जो है वो न्यूमरेटर से 8 बड़ा है. मीन 8 ज़्यादा है, तो 8 मोर देन इट्स न्यूमरेटर. तो मोर हो तो प्लस लगा दो, तो x प्लस 8 मीन डिनोमिनेटर इज 8 मोर देन इट्स न्यूमरेटर. मोर मीन प्लस, तो डिनोमिनेटर कितना हो जाएगा x प्लस 8. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, sorry, first write down a rational number. So what is the rational number? A rational number is, you know, numerator upon denominator. So rational number we have x upon x plus 8. Now write down according to question. What the according to question says, if numerator is increased by 17, this is our numerator, it is increased by 17, increased it by 17, and denominator is decreased by 1, denominator को 1 decrease कर दो mean minus 1, then the number obtained is 3 upon 2, then it is 3 upon 2. Now this becomes x plus 17, 8 minus 1 gives us x plus 7 is equals to 3 upon 2. Now cross multiply 2 in the bracket, we will get x plus 17 is equals to, here we got 3 into x plus 7. 3 into x plus 7. Now multiply 2x plus 34 is equals to 3x plus 3 into 7, that is 21. Now shift 3x to this side and 34 to that side. 2x minus 3x is equals to 21 minus 34. So minus x gives you minus 2 minus 12. This will cancel, x will becomes 12. Got it? 2x minus 3x we will get minus x. 34 minus 21 will get 13. Sorry, 4 minus 1 3, that becomes the 13. 13, yes, 13. So what is the numerator comes here? Numerator of a rational number is 13. Numerator of rational number is 13. And what is the denominator comes now? Denominator of rational number is equals to, now it is 13 plus 8. 13 plus 8 gives you 21. So what is the rational number? Rational number is equals to numerator upon denominator, that gives you, what is the numerator? 13, and what is the denominator? 21. This is our answer.